Welcome to day 9 of the 30-day gratitude challenge. Today, we're going to focus on the beautiful aspects of nature and appreciate them. If you know me, you know that my favorite place to be is in the middle of the woods. I go hiking several times a week just to be out in nature. There is so much to appreciate about nature and so many beautiful things. The birds, the flowers, the trees, looking up into the sky with the fluffy clouds. So much beauty. So what do you appreciate about the beauty of nature? Think about it. See you tomorrow.